Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a feedback form using Microsoft Forms step by step. This is useful if you want to collect feedback from customers, students, employees, or event participants. Let's get started. Microsoft Forms is a form building tool developed by Microsoft that allows you to create surveys, quizzes, and feedback forms and collect responses online. Here's how to create a feedback form. Step 1. Open Microsoft Forms. First, open your browser and go to Microsoft Forms. Sign in using your Microsoft account. Once you are logged in, you will see the Forms dashboard. Step 2. Create a new form. Click New Form to start creating a form. At the top, enter the title of your form, such as Customer Feedback Form. You can also add a short description explaining the purpose of the feedback. Step 3. Add questions. Click Add New to start adding questions. Microsoft Forms provides several question types such as choice, text, rating, date, ranking. Select the type that fits your feedback question. Step 4. Create feedback questions. Add questions such as how satisfied are you with our service? What did you like the most? What can we improve? Would you recommend us to others? You can mark important questions as required. Step 5. Add a rating question. To measure satisfaction, click Add New and choose Rating. This allows respondents to rate their experience using stars or numbers. Step 6. Customize the form design. Click the Theme option at the top. Here you can change the form's color, background, or design to match your brand. Step 7. Preview the form. Click Preview to see how the form looks on both desktop and mobile devices. Make adjustments if necessary. Step 8. Share the form. Click Collect Responses. You can share the form using a direct link, email invitation, QR code, embed code for websites. Step 9. View responses. As people submit feedback, you can view responses in the Responses tab. Microsoft Forms will automatically generate charts and summaries for your data. Important tip: you can export all responses to Excel for deeper analysis and reporting. And that's it. That's how you create a feedback form in Microsoft Forms, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical Microsoft tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.